Good. So now that we've got all that sorted out, let's go and enjoy a lovely day out.
Well, I don't know where he is, but I'll tell you something. I hope he gets here soon because I'm feeling very hungry now.
So I'm back home now, and I've cooked up Stephen's favourite dinner, which is liver, bacon, onions, and a nice bit of mashed potato and gravy. And unfortunately, I don't know where he is. He's probably gone off to the pub with Trevor, so serves him right for being so impatient.
You don't know, and when you need a friend, they never seem at home. So when you feel
welcome back, and in particular, welcome back to Fun with Effects and Drums. And for first-time visitors to the channel, I'm Phil, and I fly the DJI Spark, and I take pictures and video of the world we live in. And I'm Stephen Twet, T-W-E-T for those who can't spell, and I do all the colouring. Now, before we begin, I just want to remind you geezers out there to click that subscribe button and click that bell, so you can stay safe in your bed at night. Thank you, Stephen. It's been a quiet week this week. What have you been up to?
Well, you're right, my son. It's been a bit of a quiet week, and I haven't had much colouring in to do, only the video for today. So I started to read a book by this nice geezer, H.G Wells.
H.G Wells.
No, I like him too, but I like H.G Wells better because he makes a nice sketchup as well. Now, I was reading this book called The War of the Worlds. Now, I didn't know that the War of the Worlds book began in Addlestone Moor. Now, my mate Dal, he lives in Jersey near Addlestone Moor, near the bridge. You know what I'm talking about, my son? Because you used to live, I know, in Addlestone too. Now, I didn't know. My mate Trevor was telling me that that book is a true story and that the aliens come every 1,000 years. And the last time they came was 1,000 years ago. So I'm a bit worried about my friend Dale. He might get a bit upset.
No, it's not true, Stephen.
But my mate Trevor,
I don't care what Trevor says, and I don't even know why you listen to that guy.
Are you sure, my son?
Yes, I am very sure.
All right. I believe you. I'll have a word with my friend Trevor.
Good. Now, have you done a nice video?
Yes, I did. I made a nice little video of that video you made of Addlestone Moor when you were there last year. And I did a nice bit of colouring in for you.
And no birds.
No, no birds, because I know you were checking it last night, and you were checking for about 8 hours. I could hear you in the editing room. It was about 8 hours you were checking it. What were you doing for 8 hours?
Well, of course I was checking it, but also making a little sci-fi video.
Oh, that's nice. I'd like to see that later.
Sure you will, Stephen. I know you will. Now, you introduce the video. I'll go and start the dinner.
What a good idea. I will show these geezers how to do this nice little video of Addlestone Moor with no birds. So, I will just play this video. You enjoy, you sit back, relax, and we'll be right back.
Issa Fibber here, CBZ News, reporting live from Addlestone Moor, where we have that dramatic events take place here, and it does appear, as was predicted by H.G Wells, the aliens have landed. Now, we don't quite know what's going on. They are indiscriminately here, and it dramatic. There's a lot of smoke about, and we really can't piece together what exactly is it. Oh, but wait, there are machines appearing from behind the smoke clouds, and there are other motherships. They are seem to be targeting Jersey. Oh, yes, there goes Jersey Bridge. Jersey actually is taking up a little bit of power in the air right at the moment. It is, you can say, very and there's a lot of panic about, in fact, there's a lot of smoke and fire, and we don't feel very safe up here in the eye of the sky. So we are going to head back to the ground as we can see more machines appear. I think. Well, we seem to have lost Issa there, but we'll bring you more updates as soon as we can restore transmission.
What's the matter, Stephen?
Did you see the news?
No, I didn't see the news. What's happened?
The aliens have arrived. They're all over Addlestone Moor, and now the machines are dropping bombs and blowing up Jersey. And my mate Del, he lives in Jersey, and he's not well, and he's going to be a bit upset. So that makes me a bit upset. So I'm going to go and sort this out. So I'm going to wake my ferret up, and I'm going round, and I'm going to put my ferret right in their spacesuits and see how they like that. And they're not going to like that, because my ferret is not going to like that either, and they're going to be a bit upset. My ferret's going to be a bit upset. I'm going to be a bit upset, but we're all going to be upset. So I'm going to go and sort this out right now. Stephen, gotcha.
Oh, wait, there is another transmission coming through.
We clicked the subscription button.
And the bell?
Yes, we clicked the bell.
That's good.
We're going home now.
Oh yeah, why?
We don't want Stephen's ferret in our spacesuits.
That's a good reason. Have a safe trip home.